Hi beautiful souls, welcome back to another heartfelt art session. Today, we're creating something truly special. A simple and emotional painting that's perfect for Mother's Day, or really for any moment you want to celebrate your mom and tell her how much she means to you. Step 1. Let's draw a large heart in the center of our page. This heart is going to be the space where all our emotions live. The warm hug between mother and child. Now inside this heart, we'll draw the loving face of mom. Let her have soft, caring features and long flowing hair. Picture her in your mind as you draw her smile, her warmth, the way she holds you close. Next to her, we'll draw the daughter, a smaller figure with a sweet face, gentle expression, and perhaps mirroring that same smile. Let the bond between them show in their eyes. Let's now draw their eyes, big and sparkling with love. Add cute curved smiles, the kind of smile that says everything without saying a word. At the top of the heart, let's float 3 tiny hearts. These represent joy, care, and the deep connection between a mother and her child. Now take a black pen or a bold marker and trace over your lines. Highlight the outlines to make the artwork stand out. This boldness adds confidence and a beautiful finish to your creation. Don't worry about perfection. Just feel the emotion and let your hand flow naturally. Every line drawn with love is a perfect line. Pause here and think, what's one word that reminds you of your mom? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to read your thoughts and stories. If you're enjoying this video so far, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you're always updated when we share more such heart-touching art. Now let's bring this to life with colors. Use soft tones for the skin, maybe peach or light brown. Whether you're a beginner or just someone who loves pouring emotions into colors, this one's gonna be a joy. Let's take a moment to reflect. A mother's love is one of the most powerful forces in the world. They say that when God couldn't be everywhere, He created mothers. And isn't that the truth? All right. For the clothes, choose colors that feel personal. Maybe your mom loves blue or pink. Maybe the daughter wears something bright and cheerful, like yellow or lavender. This painting is your memory on paper. Here's a beautiful quote to reflect on as you color. A mother's arms are more comforting than anyone else's. Isn't that true? Whether you're 5 or 50, her hug always feels like home. And remember, if you're loving this artwork, check out the Mother's Day coloring book I've created for you. It has pages just like this, full of love and stories, ready for you to bring to life. The link is in the description below. Take your time to finish coloring. Let every brushstroke be your thank you note to her. As we come to the end of our painting, look at what you've created. A heart full of emotion, a picture full of meaning, and a moment your mom will always remember. If this video made you smile or reminded you of your mom even for a second, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon so we can keep making beautiful memories together. Let's begin our painting journey together. Did you know? Mother's Day was first celebrated in the early 1900s, but the idea of honoring mothers goes back thousands of years. In ancient times, people would worship mother goddesses, symbols of nurturing, strength, and unconditional love. Today, we bring that divine energy to life through art. Art is more than lines and colors. It's about emotion, connection, and love. Until next time, take care of your beautiful heart. Hug your mom a little tighter today and never stop creating from love. Goodbye for now, beautiful souls. Keep the love alive through your art. See you soon.